Hello friends, thanks for joining me. This video is for my drafting and design students. We're talking about finding an angle, or actually drawing an angle without knowing what that angle is. So what we are doing here is, if we have a shape like this and we don't know the angle here, but we know that this 3 inches is centered on top of the 7 inches, the way we can find that out is we can know this distance, and we will need the height. We will need to know what this distance is. So let's say that this is 4 inches. What we can do here is we can draw our line, 7 inches, find the center of that, make a little mark, 3.5, go up at our 4-inch measurement, use our big square, our triangle, remember? And we can transfer that mark straight up there. Then we can measure up and know that's the line, and it's from here, we're gonna go half of the 3, so 1.5 inches, half of the 3, 1.5 inches, and we know that's the length of our line. So doing this a little bit different. Do another example. We'll say we have a 5-inch line and we have a 1-inch line up top. So this one's 5, this one's 1, and we'll say this is 3 inches tall. So we can start, make our 5-inch line. Find the center of that. Half of 5 is 2.5. So at 2.5 over, I'm making a mark. Then I'm going to use my big square to transfer this mark up. If I don't know where that's at, I'm going to transfer it, make that mark up. Then I can measure up 3 inches, know that that's my 3-inch mark. From this center mark, I can go a 1/2 inch this way, make a mark, 1/2 inch this way, make a mark, and I know that is my line. And that gives me from this point to this point, I can draw a line. And from this point to here, I can draw a line. And now I don't even know what these angles are. Yeah, I can do the math. I can figure that out. But this is the easy way to skip that math. So we're going to get into that math later on in the class, but for now, while we're drafting, we're trying to draw specific shapes. This is the way you can do that without knowing that angle. Thanks for watching.